If you're a sci-fi fan, you need to see time bend. If you're a fantasy lover, you need to watch legends turn to landscapes that shape the world. If you're a curious mind, you should ask, what happens next? Here's the trick. We teach a neural network the rules of change. Erosion grinds cliffs and carves new sediment pathways. Climate shifts redraw rainfall and temperature patterns globally. Plate drift repositions continents across millions of years. Rising seas swallow coasts, reshape shorelines and estuaries. Then we feed it the lore of each world, Arrakis's deserts. Endless dunes swept by relentless winds, spice plains, shimmering salt flats and sparse life between dunes. Middle-earth's ranges span ancient mountains and deep valleys, riverways, braid lowlands, nourish forests and shape civilizations. It doesn't copy the stories or retell their plots. Instead, it simulates physics, forces that reshape worlds. Press play and watch planetary change unfold in minutes. Dunes migrate across the plains like living waves. They harden into crusts that trap wind and moisture. Then they crack, splitting surfaces into polygonal plates. A cooled core calms the atmosphere and stills storms. Inland seas bloom where sands once ruled the land. Over millions of years, continents rearrange and coastlines redraw. New coasts lace the planet like silver threads of shoreline. Now Middle-earth. Watch familiar ground transform and cool ice returns, sheets spreading over high plateaus and plains. Glaciers carve deep fjords and gouge coastal valleys. The Anduin River meanders wider, flooding surrounding floodplains. Mountains slump. Soil builds around old peaks into fertile arcs. Islands rise where legends sank, dotting new coastal seas. Its wonder turned into what if, visualized by simulation, not prophecy, possibility. Pathways we can test and imagine, a map of futures, a playground for curious minds. So where do you want the network to dream next?